The 3M introduction of the smog-reducing granules is just another milestone in that path that Malarkey takes to offer the best shingle on the market today.
Hi, I'm Randy Morgan with 3M, and I'm here at the Malarkey booth at IBS and talking about our new 3M smog-reducing granules. This is a product that we've been working on now for the last 10 years, and we're proud that we were able to partner with Malarkey to introduce it to the asphalt shingle industry. The technology behind it is such that it harnesses the power of the sun to help reduce the smog or NOx in the atmosphere. In simplest form, the sunlight reacts with the photocatalytic coating, so it's taking something that's harmful in the atmosphere and transferring it into something that's harmless. Malarkey was actually the first to adopt the Scotchgard brand for roofing back in 2003. And this is really to help combat the black streaks caused by algae. Malarkey is able to use the Scotchgard brand on their products, and they've got that in their Legacy and their Windsor product lines. It's really the most effective measure out there to keep the black streaks caused by algae from forming on your roof.